What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
and we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. Now, we've been holding off on telling you guys about this because really we've just been dreading this project. So, Ryan, you want to talk about it, or you want me to talk about it?
Gary's overdeveloped right foot while scaring the in-laws to death, or the girlfriend's parents to death.
Yeah.
Exposed some flaws in our coolant system lineup that we need to fix. So once again, Brian pulled the grill. So we're going to yank that off. And while we're doing that, we're going to relocate the oil and trans coolers to the sides over here.
So yeah, we're doing.
We're going to put the oil cooler on this side, the trans cooler on the other side, because it just shortens the amount of hoses we got to run. And plus, since Team Supercharger won, y'all know what's up. Well, once we go to stick that here, we have all this stuff running underneath the intake, so that's just going to start eliminating stuff under there. Even though that's, 2.7 projects down the line as of right now.
Hey,
So we gotta talk to Masha and block Facebook Marketplace. Every time I come over
No.
here, there's gonna be another car over here.
okay, what? 3 times, 3 times have I just added projects to the car while we were still working on this project. Only 3 projects I've added. Yeah, I may have a problem. But yeah,
It's only the end of January.
rude. Rude.
If you keep adding projects, we're never gonna finish the bathroom.
We told Masha a year.
Within a year. Within this year.
Yeah.
We got a whole.
I've got 11 months, easy. On top of the shop and everything else that I plan on doing. Sorry, Masha, if you're watching this. Bathroom may not get done this year. But yes, so we were gonna pull this, and while Brian's pulling the grill again, we should probably set up your table so you can do this. I am changing something that's a little bit annoyance. So if you look right here, there's about 4,000 wires hanging off of my starter. Not too much of a fan of that. So I've got a power distribution block right here. Where did I put it? Yeah. So I'm gonna be redoing the starter wires and putting them off of a block. So I only have one. I may have to go to the auto parts store and get an extra cable, but we'll see. But yeah, that's what I gotta do. So I drove the easy straw today. Oh, you've done this so many times. I mean, you could probably do this in your sleep now.
Yeah, except I gotta redo the spacers and stuff since we're not putting the coolers up there anymore, so I get to play along with that. Actually, should probably fit a lot better now.
Yeah, it actually probably fit better. You could probably tighten it down more. Sweet. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get to work. Welcome back, guys. Brian, how you feeling?
Eh, you know, after 9 or 10 times ripping this thing off, it's pretty easy.
Yeah, fair enough. So we gotta run to the parts store, but we'll show what Brian got. Brian got my oil cooler, my trans cooler taken off. Savvy, nice. And he got the grill reassembled already. Yeah, you are getting good at this. And what I had to do, oof, yeah, let's go this way. So what you see, what I've been working on is I got this relocated down here. So I had to extend this wire, so the trigger wire, to go up and around and away from the headers. And I can't wait till I have my custom exhaust made, because I want them to pull this further away from all of this shit. Really keep the wires. I mean, I've got really good heat insulation on it, but still, you know. Brian and I both have to run to the parts store because I need to get a cable that goes from here to the actual starter, clean this up, and then we'll be back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So Brian right here is buttoning up the thermostat housing. So I didn't actually have this on film, but when I took some of the family for a little test drive around, it leaked like a mother out of the thermostat housing. So we had to get creative, because however it is, like, I don't know if this is a machined well or anything like that, it was not fitting. So we had to dig through the parts store gaskets, find something that worked. So got a rubber O-ring gasket, and hopefully it works. Now I got my power cord that goes from my switch panel going to the starter, and then I'm also going to run the trigger wire, and this got the split loom, so I'm going to run it in the split loom, so it's going to keep it nice and neat, look very clean. So stay tuned for that. And it looks like Brian got my thermostat housing on. Yeah, we'll find out.
We will find out.
We'll figure it out eventually. I mean, we got another set of gaskets as well, so one way or another, this will work. All right, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
Yay!
how you feeling?
Wonderful.
Did we show this? You're getting too good at this, man.
Yeah, I'm sneaky. Sorry you guys didn't get to see me bent over with my drawers falling off.
Yeah.
Hooking all the hoses back up. Boom, there you go.
Yeah, so we got it in. I think I talked about the new thermostat housing gasket, so hopefully it doesn't leak. I got a new, like, the whole pressure tester, the vacuum bleeder and everything, so we're going to test it out, and hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, and then I finished my little thing, which you guys saw. I got the starter wire, like, I don't know if you remember earlier where I had like 40 wires dangling off of the starter, which is kind of annoying. Now I have one clean starter wire and then a trigger wire. That's it, and everything else running right here. Nice and neat and clean distribution block. So, and an added benefit, everything was running onto the starter right next to the exhaust pipe, which, no bueno. But yeah, I think that's gonna call it good for this video.
I think you're going to call it for tonight.
Yeah. Tomorrow is we're gonna work on trying getting these coolers relocated. So my nice little oil and trans coolers that are looped together right now. Well, trans looped to trans and oil looped to oil. So
Probably
yeah.
a good thing, because I'm pretty sure when I was moving the hoses for the oil cooler down there, I'm pretty sure I crimped one of them, or Yeah.
Kinked one of them.
Yeah, kinked one of them pretty bad. So we
yeah.
have some extra. Now that the runs of those hoses are only gonna be about 6 inches.
Yeah, so we're gonna have extra.
Manageable.
Yeah, a lot. Hopefully, prevent kinking and all the other stuff. It's funny, we went more complex, and now we're just keep kissing it. Keep it simple, stupid. It's important. But yes, so we're gonna call it good. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know. Hit that subscribe button. We're gonna keep doing it. And like 75% of you are not subscribed. Come on, I'm trying to hit that 1,000 by June, because that $10 a month will go a long way on this expensive thing. Hey, start small. But thank you guys again. Have a good one. Peace.